Watch out! Watch out!
Show me you can jump.
Well, this is too high and my mom said I can't.
Okay, go a little lower then.
Well, I can jump on this side.
Yeah!
I have to go again. That's cool. Want to see what I can do? If babies are scared and they're going hide and their mommy and daddy are tricking them, I'll show you what they do. When baby knows how to listen, want to see when they do?
Yeah.
That's how they jump.
What?
But this how they jump.
Show me your jump again.
Okay. Was it cool?
It was very cool.
And big boys go on. Can you push me?
No, you do it.
Well, I need to start low, and that's no fun.
You got it.
Guess what Simon can do? He can do with no tiptoes.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, he can just go like that without tiptoes.
Looks like you can do that too.
No, he has to start still, and he can pump.
Oh, you just got to practice.
Well, that's easy for me. So I don't want you to be too excited, and I don't want you to tell Mom. So that's why I kept it a secret. I'm not ready yet because I need to get higher than the crash pit. That's how it was when I was swinging. Oh yeah, now it's time. Uh-oh.
Good landing.